here is what the lamp looks like after you put it all together. It's actually super easy to put together. It only took a few minutes. You just have to screw all the poles together, just kind of feed the wire through the bottom. This is what it has to turn it on and off after you connect it. So you just press that. It does have 4 different light settings. So that's off. That's a more white one. That is like a straight cool white. And then that's my personal favorite, the amber. It does have this beautiful beige lampshade, so it's super neutral, matches any decor. This also moves around, so you can angle it however you want. I think I personally like it like that though. But this was a great buy. The price is just right also. Super affordable.